welcome back to the Jonny Shiell Detailing YouTube channel, and this is episode 3 of the Chrysler Ypsilon series. And don't forget to check out our first 2 videos, which was Wheels Off Deep Clean and also the Decontamination Wash and Torque. There's tons of products in that video, so feel free to check that out. This episode is on machine polishing and correction, and this isn't going to be a different style of video. This is going to be more of a less talk over, more action video. So let me roll back the years on this Chrysler Ypsilon and let me know down in the comment section what you think of this style of video. So let's take a closer look at this paint system, and as you can see, these are results we really want to achieve. This is a really nice combination, working really well. It's taken a little longer than I expected, so stay tuned for later on in the video where I mix up a few more combinations to try and get the results. But so far so good, and if you're liking this video, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. It really goes a long way to the algorithm. So let's pick this footage back up at day 2. We finished the passenger wing, the passenger door. We are continuing with the same combination. We are now on the passenger rear door. So we're going to be working through the same process as we did before. So far so good. This is working really well using the foam But we need to get a little bit of a wriggle on now. Time is of the essence, and we're in the middle of November and we are going to lose the daylight. And as you can see from yesterday's video, the darkness really helped when it got a bit darker to actually see the scratches. But we do need to kick on because collection is tomorrow, so we really need to get this ready for refining for the last day. So let's go through some more small processes. Maybe I'll switch things up. Let's see what happens in the later part of this video. So let's check out this little 50-50. You can really see the difference on this paint system now up close. And as you can see, I did a little swap out, so I've moved on to the Flex XCE. I'm now using the Flex 80 7-12, and I'm also using Rupes pads, which are wall pads, the fine cut wall pads. with a combination of H9 Koch and also using the Cartec 3000 in areas. This is really dialing the paint, and I do like wall pads for plastics. They do keep the temperatures down, which is key for when you're working on plastics. So we're now going to work through the bumpers, we're going to work through the boot area. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Put your feet up, relax, open that comment section and tell me what pad and polish combination you would use for this Chrysler Ypsilon. So as you can see, we're still continuing to get fantastic results, even though we've changed out our combinations. And as day 2 comes to a close, unfortunately this is our last bit of footage I got, as day 3 was hectic for many reasons. On this night, my daughter was very poorly, unfortunately, and also my girlfriend went into labour. So the following day was full of activities where I was having to refine the car, do the interior and deal with a handover. And as the handover was going off, my girlfriend was in her way coming out of the door on her way to hospital to give birth to our beautiful baby daughter, who's now 8 months old, called Phoebe Rose Shiell. So I'm sure I'll get this car back in, guys, and you can see the results. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed making it. My name is Jonny Shiell Detailing, and I'll see you guys next video.